Hi everyone, welcome to LOGOS classes once again. In my last 4 videos, I explained very well about what is maths, what are the 4 basic operations in maths, what is a fraction, what is numerator, what is a denominator. Based on numerator and denominator, fractions are divided into how many groups, how many kinds. Then we came across how will you add fractions. Then we were discussing about LCM, how to take the LCM. Then after that we were discussing about addition of fractions. For example, last fractions 3 by 12 plus 7 by 6 plus 11 by 24. I told you there are 2 methods. One is, first of all, you make the LCM, find out the LCM by prime factors method or division method. Division method, that day we find out the LCM as 48. Then what we have to do is divide this LCM by each of the denominator of the given fractions. That means 48 divided by denominator of the first fraction, 48 divided by 12, we will get 4. That is, then you multiply the numerator of the same fraction with that quotient. 48 by 12 you got 4. Then multiply that 4 by 3, that is 3 into 4, that is 12. Then this LCM divided by second denominator, that is 48 by 16 is 3. Multiply that quotient with the numerator, 3 into 7, 21. And the third fraction, 24 is the denominator. 48 divided by 24 becomes 2. Then 11 into 2 is 22. Then you add the numerators, we will get 55 and the LCM as the common denominator. And you can leave it here, and the answer is an improper fraction, means numerator is bigger than the denominator. You can divide that numerator by denominator, you will get a mixed fraction. This is the answer. Or 3 by 12 is equal to, how can we convert this 12 denominator a common denominator? We have to make all these 3 denominators as a same single number. That is 3 by 12 you can return as 3 into 4, 12 into 4. Because here you have to give importance. Here 12 you have to convert into 48, means LCM. Convert into an LCM, common number. So what you have to do? 12 multiplied by which number is 48 into 4. I told you very clearly, to avoid the value change, you have to multiply. You cannot multiply only the denominator with the number. To avoid that, to keep the value same, you multiply the numerator also with the same number. That means 3 by 12 is equal to 3 into 4, 12 into 4, that becomes 12 by 48. Same way, 17 by 6 is 16. How can you convert into 48? By multiply by 3. That is 16 into 3, then 7 also to be multiplied by 3, 21 by 48. 11 by 24, 24 to be converted to 48. What to do? 24 multiplied by 2. So numerator also to be multiplied by 2. So 11 into 22 by 48. So this fraction 3 by 12 plus 7 by 16 plus 11 by 24 will become 12 by 48, 21 by 48, 22 by 48. If all the denominators of the given fractions are same, what you have to do? Just add the numerators and write the common denominator as the answer, denominator of the answer. Same now, don't add 48 plus 48 plus 7. Okay, that we already cleared. Now little more I want to add it. Then you will ask a question that if the given fractions are mixed fractions, what to do? Okay, if sometimes 3 fractions are given to add, 3 fractions, 2 or 3 or 4, maybe all are mixed fraction, maybe one among them or 2 among them are mixed fractions. What you have to do? First step you have to do, convert that mixed fraction into improper fraction. Here one example, 5 and 1 by 3, 5 1 upon 3 or 1 by 3 plus 6 and 2 by 5, convert both into improper fraction. What to do for making improper fraction? Multiply the whole number with the denominator, add it to the numerator. That means 3 into 5 plus 1, 3 into 5, 15 plus 1, 16. Write the numerator as it is, 15 by 3. Then 6 and 2 by 5, multiply the whole number and denominator of the fraction, that is 6 into 5 is 30 plus 2, that is added to the numerator 32 by 5. Now you can add by taking the LCM. What is the LCM of 3 and 5? So 3 and 5 by factorization, both the numbers are prime numbers. So we cannot take there is no common factor. So multiply both the numbers, that is 5 into 3, 15 is the LCM. As I told you in this case, what you have to do, LCM divided by first denominator, 15 by 3 is 5. 5 into 16 is 80. Then LCM divided by second denominator, that is 3. 15 by 5 is 3. 3 into 32 is 96. 176 by 15. Then you can divide, make it an mixed fraction. That is the answer. Or 16 by 3 you can convert in terms of the LCM. LCM is 15. So what to do to make 3 into 15 multiplied by 5? So 16 by 3, 3 multiplied by 5, same numerator also should be multiplied by 5. That means 16 by 3 is 16 into 5, 3 into 5, the 18 and 15. Same way 32 by 5, that is 32 by 5, 6 and a half here. This one. 32 by 5 is equal to 32 by 5 into 3, numerator also multiplied by 3. That means 96 by 15. Now, what is 16 by 3 plus 32 by 5? Both the denominators we changed as the common denominator as LCM, that is 15. That means 80 by 15 plus 96 by 15. That is again 176 by 15. Same thing. If you want, you can divide 176 by 15. It will become a mixed fraction, a counting number, a quotient. How many times 15 will go in 176? Then the remainder will be the numerator of the fraction and the quotient also you can write. So, normal fraction, improper fraction or mixed fraction, addition the same way. You have to, only mixed fraction you have to convert into improper fraction. Finish. That is the end of addition of fractions. Now, coming to subtraction of fractions. Subtraction of fractions, nothing to explain more. It is same as addition of fractions. Only the change is wherever there is a plus sign, it will become minus. That's all. Nothing else. Even for mixed fraction, 5 and 1 by 3 minus 6 and 2 by 5, just here the sign will come minus. And maybe some cases, maybe 3 or more fractions, not 2, minimum 3 or more fraction, 4. So 1 may be plus, 1 may be minus, or the first one may be minus, second one will be plus. For example here, 3 by 2 minus 7 by 16 plus 11 by 24, or 3 by 2 plus 7 by 16 minus 1 by 1. Nothing to worry, don't be panic, just change the signs according to the question. No change at all. This is subtraction of fractions. Now come to the third operation. What is third operation, maths? That is multiplication. Multiplication is very simple. If 2 fractions are given or 3 fractions are given to multiply together, I told you each fraction is having a numerator and a denominator. Multiply the numerator, the numbers in the numerator together, write it as the numerator of the answer. Multiply all the denominators of the given fraction together and write it as the denominator of the answer. Simple. If 1 by 2 into 2 by 3, multiply 1 and 2, multiply the denominators, write the answer. And if the fractions is again coming as a mixed fraction, first you convert into improper fraction, then multiply. Understood? Multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominators together, write the answer. Finish. Now the last is division of fractions. One fraction divided by another fraction. That we will discuss in the next class. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.